everyone! Have you ever wondered why ice floats on water? You might think that solids are heavier than liquid, right? But water is special. Today, I'm going to explain you the water density anomaly in the most exciting way possible. Ice and a beaker full of water. Look at this. The ice floats on water. This means that ice is less dense than water. How? For that, we need to dive deep inside the structure of water molecules. This is a molecule of water. It constitutes of two hydrogen atoms which are linked to one oxygen atom. Now oxygen atom being electronegative pulls the shared pair of electrons towards itself, which causes shifting of electrons towards oxygen, which creates partial negative charge on the oxygen atom and partial positive charge on the hydrogen atom. Why I'm discussing all this here? That has a reason. Because we saw that when water freezes or it becomes ice below 4 degrees Celsius, it expands and its density decreases. What is the reason behind it? That lies in the hydrogen bonding. Now, what is hydrogen bonding? So, since we have water molecules in water, in ice, or in water vapor, just the matter of fact is the distance between those water molecules. What happens when temperature decreases? When it decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, all these water molecules, they arrange themselves in such a way that it leads to the water density anomaly. Let's take a look to that. I'm just drawing oxygen atoms of 6 water molecules. Hydrogen. These are different water molecules. So these are 6 different water molecules, and this is oxygen, this is hydrogen. This is oxygen, this is hydrogen, and that's how it is. Now these water molecules, when temperature decreases, they arrange themselves somewhat like this, and oxygen and hydrogen, the neighboring oxygen and hydrogen, because of that attractional force. What is that attraction? The attraction caused because of this partial negative and positive charges. So oxygen is having partial negative charge, hydrogen is having partial positive charge. Oxygen is having negative charge and hydrogen is having positive charge. So this plus and minus, they attract. So this is a weak force of attraction. You can assume it as a magnetic pull. So this pull makes them align, the water molecules align in a hexagonal close packed structure. So this is a rigid hexagonal cage like structure. Now just imagine if water molecules are arranging themselves in such a way, so this whole area is a space, is an empty space. That means when water molecules freeze, they arrange themselves in such a way they carry a huge amount of space, which leads to water expansion, or we can say water on freezing creates ice and ice expands. It takes more volume than the water itself. And since it contains a huge amount of space, ice ice are lighter than water, or we can say is less dense than water. So this is the reason behind it. Now, have you ever thought about why frozen lakes always freeze from the top? There is a science. This signs that water starts to freeze from top to bottom, and even then fishes can normally live, all the aquatic animals can normally live below that frozen lake. That's how life goes on. Just think, if ice caps, polar ice caps would have started freezing from down to top, it would have disrupted the whole life system, whole aquatic life system. So you saw here expansion of ice. I will tell you a cool experiment which you can do at your home. Take a plastic water bottle, fill it with water, tighten the knob and keep it in the freezer. Observe it after some time. What is your observation? Please comment down below. Till then, keep questioning, keep exploring. See you.